Hello guys, this is Christian from Mega World.
Hi guys, I'm Charisse from Mega World.
So ngayon, andito tayo sa
Park McKinley West, 1-bedroom unit.
So this condo is for sale for around 10 million pesos. So this is located here in BGC area, McKinley West. So tara,
Tara na!
check natin.
Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers to this. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down.
So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa main entrance na magiging condo unit. And pagpasok natin, we'll be greeted by our complete kitchen set. So when we say complete kitchen set, literally lahat ng appliances meron na pa dito. So we'll be having this up and down kitchen cabinet. So soft close na lang lahat ng mga yan. So maganda rin yung design niya. I like the color palette and combination of this one. Ayan. So kitang-kita naman dito, soft close. And after that, magkakaroon pa tayo ng granite top. So it's not an ordinary tile already, it's granite. So mas maganda yung quality nito, mas matibay. Yes. And magkakaroon tayo ng 2 induction cooktop, tapos automated na rin siya, touchscreen yung controls, and electric na rin to. So this one, magkakaroon tayo ng box type kitchen, malaki na yung mismong sink natin, yan. Tapos retractable na yung faucet. Yan. So easy to use, napaka-convenient. Magkakaroon tayo ng box flash, pin lights, tapos range hood. So for brands natin here in kitchen, meron tayong Ariston and Frank for the brands. So on this part naman, tara, check natin. Ito yung magiging natin, washer and dryer provision. Meron tayo ditong water connection. Yan. Tapos meron tayong drainage sa baba and pang-separate ng mga water access. So mapapansin nyo pala yung switch natin here is not an ordinary switch. So hindi na siya yung traditional na nasisira by time. Yes. So ito, touchscreen na siya. Pwede siyang i-connect sa smartphone and through voice kasi ready for smartphone equipped na yung unit natin. So let's check the other part. So ito naman yung magiging provision natin for smart home equipment. So dito, ito siya. Yan. So sa paggamit nito, pwede siyang i-connect sa mga appliances natin here and control sa mismong unit. Ayan. So pwede siyang i-connect sa voice like Siri, Alexa, Google. So ayun, napaka-futuristic na magiging condo unit dito sa BGC. So ito naman yung magiging video telecom natin connected to sa lobby. So if ever you have visitors, mga deliveries, ipa-flash nila dito sa video. Tapos, ayun, ipapacheck nila kung sa ito. And meron tayo dito pang voice na marinig nila sa baba. Kasi connected to sa camera doon sa may mismong receptionist natin. So tara, check naman natin sa may toilet and bath.
So for this area, ito yung magiging common toilet and bath natin. So pag enter natin, motion censored na yung lights natin, automatic na siyang mag-open. And then we have here complete sanitary fittings, toilet and bath. Meron na tayong mirror. We have here lavatory from the brand Colair. So very aesthetic, very hotel type yung ating common toilet and bath. So meron na rin siyang toilet. And of course, we are Filipinos. Hindi mawawala sa atin yung bidet.
So check naman natin dito.
Yes. This one naman, we have here our rain shower area or bath area. Tapos, meron na din siyang partial glass partition.
Complete set na rin yung shower set.
Yes, complete set na rin siya. Kumbaga, very hotel type. What you see from floor to ceiling, ganitong makuha ninyo for turnover. Yes.
Check naman natin dito sa ating magiging living and dining area. So in this kind of area, kasha dito yung living and dining natin. So isa mga paborito kong part dito is yung setup natin sa living area. So pwede dito mag-relax, do your games, your errands, pwede ka dito mag-mini office, magbasa, manood ng movie. So this one, pwede rin itong gawing sofa bed, so it can be also converted into second bedroom. Yes. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng free split type aircon on that part. So dito naman yung magiging area natin for dining area, kasi dito 2 to 4 seaters, and unlike this kind of dining area, napaka-hotel and resort type ng combination ng unit. And ayun, convenient din, relaxing. So, ito yung magiging area natin for living and dining area. Check naman natin sa my bedroom. Tara!
Welcome to our bedroom area. So, pagpasok nyo pa lang, what you will see is a 3-door modular closet na soft close. Hindi siya basta-basta masisira. And kasya dito sa ating one bedroom unit ay queen size bed. This one is a double size bed pero kasya dito up to queen size bed. So, napakaganda. And it also have inverter split type aircon. Kasama na rin siya upon turnover. And it has its own access going to the balcony. So, this one, yeah, go to the balcony area.
Maganda kahit yung mga windows natin, no? Malalaki yung full glass. Yeah. So, that's it guys for today's condo tour vlog. Kaya kung sa tingin nyo para sa inyo itong unit na to, kung nagandahan kayo sa aming beautiful unit here in BGC area, Makila West, this condo is listed for around 10 million pesos only.
Yes, and of course guys, we can actually schedule a free site viewing para makita ninyo in actual si Park Makila West. And of course, we are excited to assist you find your dream home and next property investment.
So follow, subscribe, stay tuned sa ating maraming paparating na vlogs. Marami pa rin pupunta.
Yes, madami pa guys.
Marami pa tayong condo tour. So, see you.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now.